What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video of Top Secret Garage. Alright, today is the day where we put together the BMW transmission with the 1JZ engine. Okay, kind of like they do in those cooking channels. We're gonna show you the ingredients. Okay, this is an M3 E46 pressure plate, or E36 I think, pressure plate, one of the two. I gotta find the info. ACT clutch, Collins Performance Technology flywheel, Collins adapter plate, and all the bolts, flywheel bolts. What is this? JC adapter bolts, and these are the rest of the bolts. And then this is the ones for the flywheel with the pressure plate together. All right, first thing first, we gotta get this thing off the stand, and then we're gonna start this process. By no means I am an expert on this that I'm gonna do. This is the first time me doing this, so I may hit some bumps along the way, but hopefully everything turns out really well, everything matches up. So let's get started. We got the engine off the stand. What's the stand? Right there. So now we got it on the floor, so now we're gonna start. That right there is my guy supposed to record, but he's more happy about his truck than coming over here and helping me out. Yeah, he was supposed to come here and help me, but no, he wants to show off his truck. See, to everybody he sees, he wants to show his engine. Everybody, he wants to show that he's got that thing right there. Papi, tú necesitas ayudarme, me ha dejado joyado, no has grabado nada. ¿Qué? Talte que he tirado de aquí de Gigi.
Otro nivel, video de música y todo.
Alright, sorry I skipped a little bit. Look, I had to take this thing out. I smashed it, might try to make it fit, but I couldn't. I don't know if it's different from the 2J and 1J, but I couldn't get that thing to fit behind here. So right now you gotta align that pin with this pin, and that thing looks really good. There's not a gap in there or anything, you know, really tight. And all the bolts, man, they align perfectly, like almost like perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna put the bolts that hold this flywheel, that adapter plate. I don't know where I put the bolts. They're somewhere. Oh, here they are. Alright, so it will be JC adapter plate bolt kit. These are it. I know this one and this one for the starter for sure. We got these ones right here. I'm assuming these ones right here, which is kind of like the big ones, they go here. They're size 10. That's what Brett said on the video. Oh, cut myself there. Ooh. Okay. Should have another big one right here, and then one more. This one right here. Is it? Yeah, I think it's gotta be this one. And then this one. I think I'm need one more. This one right here. Alright. Now I'm trying to pause this thing. Oh man. Alright, we got it ready now. We took that out. Again. It's time for the pilot bearing. We already used some sandpaper right here and on the outside, and all this I sanded everything. So this, when you put it in, I know that it's gonna be sticking. It's not gonna go all the way in, so I'm gonna try to hit it in right now. Alright, we hit it in. You see, it doesn't go all the way in. There's gonna be a minute gap there. So, but I know it's all the way in. When we hit it, you can feel the difference in the sound. So right now we're gonna see if I can put the flywheel now in there. Alright, we put the bearing in. Finally I got somebody recording. We put it where they hit it. We're gonna hit it 2 more times. So we heard it. See the hammer bounce back? So it's in already. I'm gonna put this in here. Also, there's gonna be a gap, so you guys know it's gonna be a gap in there, but that's intended to be that way. Look at that.
Con la pistolita así.
Sí, lo puedo coger. A 12. 12. Alright. Alright, you see, it doesn't go all the way out. But that's how it looks. Now we're gonna torque it. I believe it's 80 or 100 pounds. We're gonna check right now and let you know right now. So we said we gotta torque it at 56, going up in increments of 20. But I'm gonna torque a little bit more than that. I'm probably gonna torque it at 70 pounds. So we're gonna start at 20 pounds. Vamos, explícanos qué estamos haciendo. Ese es pana de Feli, pues si no lo conocen. Mira, saludita a Feli, Feli va a verte ya mismo. Feli, Guilla. Mira, this is ACT clutch, flywheel side, so that's how it's gonna go to the middle. Usually, almost every single clutch is like this, but for some reason, the ACT one flywheel goes in the inside. It's not gonna hit because it's deep, so it really doesn't matter. So,
¿Qué problema hay?
¿por qué el problema? Porque no llega. Ahí llegó. O tienes que llamar al... ¡No! No llega, no.
Pasa a veces esto sí.
No llega el palo Pérez.
Yo estoy mirando allí, mira. Allí que yo estoy mirando, mira. Que si llega. Es allí que yo estoy mirando.
Allá sí.
Allá se mete allá.
Sí.
Ya viene hecho para eso.
Sí, allá va a llegar. Este que me estoy quedando corto aquí.
Presenta el disco.
Ahí está, ahí está.
Está ahí.
Así. ¿Te queda así queda centrado? Está medio. Trata de ponerlo que tú lo veas medio medio. Según tú lo vayas apretando. Y quede medio medio.
Ahí está medio medio.
Apriétalo ahí y mirando, mira. Uno a uno. Sí, que no, ¿verdad?
¿Ah?
Ponlo en tu agua, ido.
¿Eh?
Ponlo en tu carro.
¿Tú lo usas? No. Tú lo pones sticker.
Eso te va a dar más caballo de fuerza.
¿Sabes que yo le puse uno y cuando subía en segunda tuve que ponerle primera? Porque pesa más el carro. Sí.
Dale, mentira.
Porque hay muchos macos que lo quiere para una puntuación que tiene
Pero explícale.
automática y eso, pero él tiene que mirar como si fuera spam original.
Pero explícale lo de los inyectores, que viene con los inyectores, porque tiene que.
No, pero como que está vendiendo, tiene que llamar inyectores que le queden ahí.
Le va a dar un montón de set de inyectores.
Un montón de 6.
Sí. Entonces, ¿cuál es el que le funciona? Buen hombre. We're waiting on my dad to get me an Allen key here so I can put this. But so he took one bolt. He's trying to get the right size. But so right now, it's pretty much aligned, and we're just waiting on him to come. There he is, Mr. Savior. All right, let's start torquing this. ¿A quién te acuerdo yo?
A Yocho cuando
¿A Yocho cuando chiquito? ¿A este?
La live.
¿Sabes por qué? Porque cuando los cortaban a le dejaban a Yocho aquí, mira.
La moñita,
Sí, ¿cómo
La
es?
olita, la ola.
La ola de selfie. Diablo, papi. Bien duro. Vamos para allá,
Y ahora,
Haga Yocho para que vean.
yo te estoy grabando.
A ver si está alineado. Hombre, está bien. Mira, dale vuelta a la. Ah, no le dé vuelta, ¿no? Se fue. ¡Damn! Dio un tornillo.
¿Detrás de ti?
No. Vamos a adivinar que no sé cuál va a ser después. We got all these bolts. Yo no sé cuál va a dónde. No va ahí. That one is too long. We got the first one. No está grabando.
Está grabando.
¿Está grabando? ¿Y por qué no tiene flashlight?
Porque necesita flash, loco.
Está bien.
No está confiando en mí. Yo tengo que grabar con un teléfono de verdad, papi, 4K, que esos videos salgan de verdad.
Grabé con la GoPro.
Que la gente le den 4K. Mira, te lo voy a grabar.
No, no sé eso.
¿Ah?
Seguro. All right, we got everything now. all the bolts are in. Yeah, you can see through there. I need to put the starter because now you gotta drill the thread of the starter and it's gonna be bolted from this side. But everything else is there. Transmission. Ito Secret. Mira, don, chicharrón. Esto es delivery. Toma, don. Yeah, so we're gonna end here. We're done enough for today, but at least the tranny is with the engine. Hey, I'm gonna post a link. Let me see if I can flip this. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna post a link to Collins Adapter's YouTube video, the original video, the one that knows how to do this better than me. So in that video he explains everything in depth on how to do this install. I skip a lot of things. I didn't mention a lot of things he mentioned on his videos, but overall it was fairly easy. Other than that, this thing right here, that was a pain in the butt for me. Other than that, everything else was pretty good. I used every single bolt that came in the package, except the bolts that hold the pressure plate. Those you gotta use yours. They didn't come in there, so I used the BMW bolts. But everything else is in the kit. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe to my page if you have not done so. And you got my brother there.
I got the top secret before y'all.
¿Para cuándo sale?
Pa'l pavo.
Pa'l pavo. Thanksgiving. Hey, like and subscribe and share the video. The engine is alive. Look at this. You see the glove moving? Lo botó. Dale, see you.